Hey guys, I'm showing you this Hotraffy simple modern 360-degree swivel ascent chair. It's a living room chair with a 5.3-inch Thicken upholstered for relaxing. So it comes in a one piece, so you don't need to assemble it. It's pretty much all safe and protected. So you can just open it, and this is a 360-degree swivel. So with a fabric armchair for bedrooms, offices, reading rooms, and wherever you want a comfortable sit. So you can see it here is a very nice fabric, very nice build with the side arms. So it's like a 25 inches wide and 22 inches in the size. So it's comfortable. I checked and sit. So you can see like it's a swivel with a 360-degree with the back and stuff is very comfortable, and then it's a nice cushion thing. So as it comes in a one package, I said no assembly required. So it's pretty nice and good factory built things. So cushion and fabric is also very nice and comfortable. It's very cozy and very nice chair.